Hi, today we're looking at a Hitachi stereo cassette tape deck. It's a model D-E55. It's in very nice condition. Unfortunately, it's not working. We'll power it on. Hear a little click when it powered on there, but we'll eject, put the tape in. And as you can see, play lights up, sound's made, nothing happens. So, how do we stop it? It doesn't seem to have a stop. Let's record. Same thing if we try fast forward or rewind, nothing happens. There's no movement. There's sound inside the machine, but no movement. Probably needs belts. There might be some other issues we don't know about. So it's being sold for parts, as is, on eBay for a limited time. And in our eBay store, we are Milton Wares. We ship all over North America. Thanks for viewing the video. Once again, this is a Hitachi stereo cassette tape deck. Model is D-E55. Have a good day. Thanks.